Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to publish a post directly to your Google profile from the SmartPost. To get started, enter the appropriate post title. Then continue with post description. Next, optionally, you can upload a single media file, either an image or a video, to visually represent your offer. If needed, go ahead and add a button link to drive user actions. And you're all set. Simply click the Publish Post button to publish the post to your Google Business profile. And that's it. To view the published post, click on the View button. As you can see in the Content Manager screen, the status is processing, which means the publishing is still in the progress on the Google side, and once completed, it will change back to live. It may take up to a few seconds to a minute. Let's wait for a few seconds and refresh the page. Okay, so now, as you can see, it's live. You can click on this Google button to see the post live on your Google Business profile. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to publish an event directly with SmartPost. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.